Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Weber SmokeFire Gen 2 Pellet Grill. Watch until the end to find out if this pellet grill is worth it. Weber SmokeFire Gen 2 Pellet Grill Overview. This pellet grill allows you to cook a variety of foods at a go since it offers a spacious cooking surface. It evenly distributes heat across the cooking surface to deliver delicious meals. Its temperature range is 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The pellet grill is equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology and connects to your phone through Weber Connect app. It's also equipped with 1 complimentary meat probe and 4 temperature probe ports. This pellet grill also comes with accessories like a front and side shelf. What we liked: user-friendly app, reasonable pellet consumption, it is easy to clean, precision-controlled cooking. What we didn't like: grease clogging issue. Features: technology. Since this pellet grill has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities, it allows you to monitor the recipe progress and temperature from a distance. The grill can communicate with the Weber Connect app on your smartphone. This app can tell you when foods need to be flipped over. You can even use it to set a timer. Assembly. You can assemble this pellet grill on your own within 30 minutes. You only need a cordless drill and a few hand tools for this. The manufacturer also includes some simple instructions that can help during assembly. Construction. The Weber SmokeFire Gen 2 pellet grill is solidly constructed. It's made with porcelain enamel steel, which prevents cracking and rusting, while its cooking grates are plated steel. This pellet grill also comes with heavy-duty caster wheels that enhance portability. Searing capability. Its ability to sear over high heat leads to delicious results and rich grill marks on food. This pellet grill uses an open concept where the cooking surface is not sealed from the flame. Who is Weber SmokeFire Gen 2 pellet grill best suited for? This is a good backyard cooker for a large family due to its large cooking surface. If you're not on a low budget, you should also consider this pellet grill. Verdict: should you get a Weber SmokeFire Gen 2 pellet grill? Yes. This pellet grill is worth considering due to its consistent smoking and grilling ability. It can give you value for your money because of its high quality, using advanced technology, and is equipped with useful features. You should also consider it because it can help you prepare delicious meals. Thanks for watching.